This is it! Yes, simulan na po natin. For the candidate number 1.
Happiness. Good evening. Representing the Filipino community in Los Angeles, California. My name is Glidon I'm sorry. Representing the Filipino community in Los Angeles, California. I'm sorry because it's been 20 years ago. I am a proud 55-year-old stunner. I used to be a practicing dentist here in Quezon City, but 15 years ago I migrated to Los Angeles, California, and now currently working as a registered nurse in one of the most reputable hospitals in Los Angeles, California. Tonight, make way, for here comes your Miss Universe Philippines 2023. Hashtag Di Patapos, Michelle Marquez. Thank you.
Sa layo-layo man po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala bang palakpakan dyan? Wala bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. People can destroy your image, damage your personality, create rumors about you, but can never take away your good deeds. Because in life, no matter how much they describe you, you will always be admired to those people who knows you better. Good evening, beautiful people of Cruz Naligan! My name is Margie Iglesias, 25-year-old, all the way from the beautiful place of City of Tuguegarao, province of Cagayan Valley. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to carry the image of ang pambansang hipon ng Pilipinas, Herlyn Nicole Pudol. Herlyn Nicole Pudol na nagsasabing, kumain ka ng pakwan para hindi ka iwan at ikaw ang kanyang number 1. Maraming salamat po at ang gabi. Happy
Thank you so much, candidate number 2.
Distinguished guests, friends, allies of the rainbow community, honorable panel of judges, and people of Cruz Naligan, Quezon City, good evening. Standing before you is a proud mass communication graduate from the home of the Tamaraos, Far Eastern University. I am a proud realtor in Fort Bonifacio in BGC. I am Patricia Payumo, hailing all the way from the mountain biking capital of the Philippines, San Mateo, province of Rizal. And tonight, I I do believe in a saying, it is not the crown who makes a queen, but a queen who makes a crown. Thank you so much and good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3, Miss Patricia Mayo. Ganyan ako dati eh. Nalaglag lang ako sa chick.
ng aking pinanggalingan, wala po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old this tenor. And I am very proud and humble because I am your recently crowned, it's showtime, Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multibex, first runner-up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way with the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Ako po si Amy. At minsan si Baby sa Pira-Pirasong Paraiso. Bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawangis ni Binibining Loisa Andalio. And I always believe si Biz Amar Amor. If you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 4. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night to remember. Thank you.
Kaunti, sexy po ako. Kaunti, parang baka yung buko mo. Kaunti. collective. First, take education before love and devotion. It is a good occupation for the young generation. Maayong magtungkabarkat, gikan sa isla sa Subo, nibalik sa inyong atubangan ang Diyos sa araw sa kabulahan, gaawas-awas ang kahugyan, kagilak-kilak sa kaantunan. Or should I say, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Samari J, 17 years old, all the way hailing from the historic capital of the Philippines, General Trias, Cavite. Puro sira na lang. Ako po ang bago dyan. At naniniwala po ako na aanhin mo pa ang shabu, cocaine at marijuana kung sa ganito pa lang. Sabog ka na. But for tonight, please allow me to stand by you. Ang babaeng inabangan niyo po, lumusong sa karagatan bilang Jocelyn, lumilim sa dalampasigan bilang Marinar, at lumipad sa kalangitan bilang Darna, the girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ding Dong Dantes, ang nag-iisang kawangis na Miss Marian Rivera. Marian Rivera nagsasabi, noon ang mga babae tinitignan dahil magaganda. Ngayon, ang mga magaganda tinitignan kung tunay ng mga babae. Judges, I will not ask you to mark my number, but remember that this girl is about to dominate all of the candidates backstage. Good evening.
Thank you so much.
Hooray! Mga uto-uto. Lamang po. I always believe that patience is a true virtue. Good evening, people of this land. My name is Eunice Aquillo. I am 21 years old, stunner. A four-year college student who's taking a Bachelor of Science in Nursing at Our Lady of Fatima University. Coming all the way from our international shrine capital of the Philippines, tayo na sa Antipolo. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to borrow the personality of your one and only, ang babaeng tagapag-alaga ng brilyante ng lupa. I am your Miss Hania Lopez. Miss Hania Lopez po ang nag-iiwan ng katagang, aanhin ko pa ang aking kagandahan kung hindi ko matitikman ang inyong kapitan. Charot lamang po, kapitan. My dear judges, I may not be your Miss Q&A. I may not be your Super Serena. However, allow me to showcase my own authenticity tonight. Again, this is your candidate number 6. Greeting you all, happy fiesta, and enjoy the rest of the show. Love you all. See you later.
See you later. Nagulat talaga ako doon, Kapitan, ha?
I'm a simple girl who has a simple dream. And that dream is to become tonight's beauty queen. Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, wala And yes, I am one and only Miss
Catherine Bernardo.
Catherine Bernardo na nagsasabing, if you haven't, lahat mamatay sila sa inggit.
Good evening.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7.
Paano ko sisimulan kung walang palakpakan? At paano ako gaganahan kung wala akong naririnig na hiyawan? Life is a celebration of man's victory, talent, and aspiration. Aspiring to be the luckiest candidate tonight. Good evening, folks. This young lady standing in front of you is 30 years old. A graduate of Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in Content Education from Cebu Technological University, a humble scholar, and a proud cum laude. Ladies and gentlemen, I enjoyed pageantry for 8 years, and last year I took the board exam and found out that on the result of December 7th, I am one of the 7,777 newly licensed professional teachers. And you may be wondering why I am not teaching now, because in this platform, I will keep and ignite the advocacy that we individuals of the rainbow community will not hinder by our gender identity in focusing and proceeding with our profession. Ladies and gentlemen, ako po ang inyong reynang ibon sa gabing ito. My name is JZ Ramos, proudly representing Davao City!
Kung kasalanan po ang pagiging isang bakla, ngayon pa lamang po, humihingi na po ako ng isang kapatawaran. Subalit, kung sa tingin naman po ninyo na ngayong gabi, kaming mga bakla ay magbibigay sa inyo ng isang ngiti at isang sigla ng saya, maaari po ba akong makahingi ng isang masigabong palakpakan? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, panel board of judges. Standing in front of you is a 28 years old stunner, all the way last from Binyan City, province of Laguna. My name is Nadi Marie Fernandez, but for tonight, this is a pageant. So please do allow me to stand by the name. Ang babaeng minsang lumipad sa impapawid bilang si Darna. At ang babaeng minsang sumisid sa karagatan bilang si Jezabel. Opo, ako nga po ang babaeng nagpatibok at bumihag sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Ding Dong Dantes. Ang babaeng nagpapaalala na kailanman walang rewind ang buhay. Nasa inyong harapan ang nag-iisa at walang katulad na kagandahan ni Marian Rivera. Marian Rivera na nagsasabing ang mga taong nagpapakataas ay sila pong ibinababa at ang mga tao naman pong nagpapakababa ay sila pong itinataas. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi.
Thank you so much.
Wala pong masusunugan ng bahay at lalong wala pong maaagawan ng jowa. Dahil ang hinihiling ko lamang po ay isang masigabong palakpakan. Maraming salamat po. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, the physical attributes of a person is time will change, but the goodness of the heart will last for a lifetime. That's why one should be careful with your thoughts, because your thoughts may become your words may become your actions, and your actions may become your personality that will mold and defines one's destiny. Call me Yunil Torayno Sibuche, a 22-year-old stunner, all the way last from Barangay Santo Domingo, Quezon City. My name is Yunil Sibuche, and yes, I graduated as cum laude at the National University of Manila, who took a Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies, and a former president of the National University Student Government, the highest governing body of students in the said university. As one of the game changer, one of the catalysts of change. Indeed, pen is mightier than sword. I am a journalist by profession and a beauty queen by passion. But for tonight, since there is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Minsan na rin po akong napanood sa telepantosereng Encantadia bilang si Sangre Lira at ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Paul Salas. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan, Miss Mikey Quintos. Mikey Quintos is nagsasabing, in this world full of choices, always choose yourself. Judges, the national costume that I'm wearing for tonight is proud to represent the Basketry Festival from the province of Bohol. But this costume is not just an ornament, but this is an instrument for us to amplify the call for better opportunities for our agricultural laborers or magsasaka, and to definitely ask, nasa na po ang ipinangako 20 pesos na bigas. Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Thank you so much. Wala na ko.
Dahil sexy ako kaunti, maganda ako kaunti, palakpakan naman po kayo kaunti. Dagdagan na po kaunti. Thank you so much. Mahirap magpakalalaki kung hindi ka naman isang tunay na lalaki. Mahirap magpakababae kung hindi ka naman isang tunay na babae. Ngunit, subalit, datapwat, bagkus, ang pinakamahirap sa lahat ay ang magpakatao. Kung hindi ka naman irerespeto, ituturi bilang isang tunay na tao. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The lady standing in front of you is a 25 years old stunner, all the way from Bonifacio, Global City, Taguig. My name is Clarissa Asuncion. But tonight, please do allow me to stand by the woman, ang babaeng winalanghiya. Ang babaeng winalanghiya, binalasubas at hinayo ni Annabel Ramos. Ang babaeng nagpatibok, ngunit dumurog sa puso ni Mr. Richard Gutierrez. I am Sarah Geronimo. Joke lang po. Sarah Geronimo na nagsasabi na nag-iiwan ng isang kataga. Aanhin mo naman ang pag-ibig na wagas kung pag-uwi mo sa inyong bahay
wala kayong bigas. Thank you so much and good evening. Enjoy the show. Happy Fiesta.